This video is to show some of the differences between the Tirant V3 and the Tirant Ultra from Exceed Designs. Right away you'll notice that the V3 is quite a bit shorter than the Ultra. It's about that much shorter. Flip them open. The V3 only takes utility blades. It does have a quick change on it. This accepts different blade shapes. You can get the tan O, drop point, sheep's foot, and this is like a, I don't know, like a utility blade style, but these are made of D2. They're pretty cheap, replaceable, or you can sharpen them, reuse them, whatever. But just push down on that, pop that up. Push it in there, locks in, and now went from a utility knife to a drop point blade, that quick. This is more compact, a little bit easier to carry. I still use this a lot, I love it, but just want to show you size difference and the different features between the two. Thanks for watching.